Hey guys, welcome back. I'm here to tell you that the new Scratch is finally here. Scratch 3.0 released just on the 2nd of January in 2019, and it is the third and current major version of Scratch. It is a complete redesign and re-implementation of Scratch written in HTML5. It features a new, modern look and design with the states moved back to the right like Scratch 1.4 that we really liked. So it was released just 2 days ago, just on January 2nd, 2019. So many blocks are in different order. Let's start creating a new project in Scratch so that you can check all the new features. First of all, please log in, please sign in to your account, because you will see that there are a lot of new features only if you are logged in inside Scratch environment. So sign in and let's start together. You will see that all the blocks are in different order and in different colors and are right here. So as you can see, many blocks are in different order. Event blocks specifically are the color of the Scratch 2 control blocks. So control blocks are a little bit lighter than the old event blocks. More blocks has been renamed to my blocks and is a shade of light red. You will see right here. So you can click on a block to learn more about it. I can click right here and use it instantly to my cat, to the logo of Scratch right here. So we have a new paint editor and a new sound editor. Now it is much easier to customize the costumes. As you can see, I can have a huge tail right here. You can see my cat now. Or I can have also a huge head. It is very easy to customize my costume and have a brand new cat right here. You can also use the sound editor. Okay, and you can use echo. Or you can use a robot. You can use something softer or something louder. You can trim to where you want to trim. Have something shorter or have something bigger, longer. Okay. You can also reverse the sound very easily, but my favorite is the robot and the echo, where you can change the sound to whatever you might want. So there are a lot of extra options, but the most important is that you can now make and play projects on tablets and play them on phones. You cannot edit projects on mobile phones, but you can play your projects on mobile phones and tablets like having mobile apps, games for mobile. So this is really awesome. This is something I think that it is really extraordinary. So you have also several extra options I'm sorry for this, for the touching boolean, including any edge, mouse position and left edge. Furthermore, you have a lot of new fonts, sans serif, serif times, so you can right here go and write something. I can use here my pen, and while writing right here, you can change the font to handwriting, to marker, to curly, to pixel, to more Chinese fonts and Japanese and Korean fonts. So the vector paint editor is now the default editor. The video sensing blocks is an extension, and you can see a lot of new extensions like text to speech, translate. Microbit is a new extension that is really wonderful, and we will see in the next lectures. And of course, Lego Mindstorms, if you would like to do some robotics with Scratch 3.0. So Picoboard and Lego are not supported anymore. So we have also the addition of a pause button that you will see, and let's start right now by creating a new project, a new game here in Scratch 3.0.